And okay, I forgot. Welcome, guys. And there is the weather in my town, in my home. You can see some water here, and 3 minutes ago it's raining, and it's raining very angry, and there is the result. So I don't know what I can do, and I do a video, but I am annoying in my and watching the TV, and I say, let's do a video. Okay, and that's it, the video. So you can see the quality of the video is differences, but I use my phone for do this video fast. And that's it. The weather is not good. And do you remember in the old video my new tree? When it makes pool? Okay, and that's it. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, touch the bell, and see you in the next